In this video, I'm going to show you how to access your DVC email, which is going to be crucial for you to check regularly. All forms of communication is going to be sent to your DVC email. And one thing I highly recommend is keeping this separate from any personal emails that you want to receive. So I would encourage you to keep this strictly just for school. All forms of email is going to be sent here from your professors, from the college, and I'm going to show you how to access it. So from the DVC homepage, you could click on Insight. It's right here. So we're going to click on Insight. I'm going to close this pop-up, and then you're going to click on Insight Login here. So you're going to click on that. And then you're going to see three options. I want you to click on Student. And then you should see this. And then I want you to type in your username and your password. Keep in mind your username is usually your first initial of your first name, your last name, and the last three digits of your ID number. And then type in your password and click Login. And then now you're in your Insight portal, and you should see all these different tiles, different colors. And when you want to access your DVC email, look for the red tile that says email on it. And then when you click on it, you should be able to access your DVC email.